In today's video, we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT for faster support replies. Whether you're managing customer support for a small business or handling inquiries for a large corporation, ChatGPT can save you time and enhance your customer service experience. Let's dive right in. Before you can optimize your responses with ChatGPT, it's essential to understand the common queries your customers have. But don't worry, ChatGPT can help with this too. Start by gathering a sample of your recent customer queries. This might include questions about product features, troubleshooting, account issues, or shipping information. So here are the list of sample queries that I've gathered. Here we go. There's quite a lot right here. So yeah, so next, you can use ChatGPT to help categorize these queries. So simply input a batch of queries, just like I did right here, then ask ChatGPT right here to analyze and categorize them. For example, you could prompt ChatGPT with, please categorize these customer queries into appropriate groups like the one I mentioned earlier. And yeah, here we go. So let's see how ChatGPT would do all the magic from there. There we go. As you can see, ChatGPT then sort through the queries and provide you with organized categories. This helps you understand the most common issues your customers face and allows you to create more effective response templates. Now that we understand our customer queries, it's time to create effective prompts for ChatGPT. Crafting the right prompts is crucial to getting accurate and useful responses. Start by identifying the type of responses you need. For instance, if you frequently receive questions about, let's say, password resets like this one, we'll see if we could use ChatGPT to help us craft a prompt. So let's put together our prompt right here, like generate a response for a customer asking how to reset their password on our website. So let's see how this goes. As you can see right here, ChatGPT will provide a detailed response. As you can see, it's currently processing right here that you can use as a template. Make sure to review and adjust the response to fit your company's tone and specific procedures. This was looking pretty good, I must say. It provides all the step-by-step. It depends on what type of website, and then you'll have to specify with another prompt for ChatGPT to modify or refine it. So let's see, for another example, could be about shipping details. So let's type in or put together, then paste our prompt right here, like create a response explaining the shipping options available for international orders. So let's see once again. As you can see, again, ChatGPT has generated a comprehensive reply. You can then customize this to ensure it covers all the necessary details and is ready to be used in your customer interactions. The key is to be as specific as possible with your prompts. The more detail you provide in the prompt, the more accurate and helpful the response will be. So if you find this video helpful so far, please make sure to consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithms show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. With your prompts ready, it's time to integrate ChatGPT into your live customer interactions. For instance, if a customer asks about the status of their order, for example, you can input right here, like generate a response for a customer asking about the status of their order. So here's what you can paste it in the chat input right here. Then ChatGPT will generate a detailed reply. But let's see how this goes. So here is the response from ChatGPT as it's currently processing, but make sure to review it to ensure it fits your company's tone and includes any necessary details specific to the customer's query. Once you're satisfied with the response, you can copy it and paste it back into your live chat with the customer. For instance, that is, this process helps you provide quick and consistent support without sacrificing the quality. ChatGPT can also be used to help with automating email responses. Here's how you can use it. Start by identifying common email queries you receive. These might include questions about product returns, order status, or troubleshooting. Next, create corresponding prompts for those common queries. For example, if you frequently receive emails about product returns, your prompt might be, how do I explain the product return process to a customer via email? Then let's have this already input here and send it over. There, ChatGPT generates a detailed response right here that you can use as a template for your email replies. Again, make sure to review and customize the response to ensure it fits your company's tone and addresses the specific details of the customer's query. Once you have your template, you can save it for future use. When a similar query comes in, simply copy the template and personalize it as needed, and send it off. Pretty simple. Regularly review the responses generated by ChatGPT. Look for any patterns or areas where the responses can be improved. For example, you might notice that responses about a particular topic are too generic. You can refine your prompts based on these insights. If a response needs more detail, adjust your prompt to ask for more specific information. For example, instead of asking, how do I reset my password, you could ask, let's say, right here, how do I reset my password on the website if I forgot my current one? Now, just let's see how this goes. So as it's currently processing, here's an additional note. Gather feedback from your customers about the responses they receive. This feedback is invaluable for making continuous improvements. Use this feedback to further refine your prompts. For example, if customers frequently ask for clarification, update your prompts to prove clear and more detailed answers. And that's it. By understanding your customer queries, creating effective prompts, integrating ChatGPT into live interactions and email responses, and continuously improving your model, you can significantly speed up your support replies. Have a great day, everyone.